Seaside for the Youth Tourism Summit.
Yep.
Good morning. Good morning, miss.
For your vlog. Kato na oras din. SM10 na recommended. Sa ilahang social hall siguro.
Kaya pa niyo. Kaya niyo pa mag-joke. Day dinggoy ba? Like sa song, bitaw? Dinggoy bells, dinggoy bells.
At dahil dyan, mag-groovy na lang tayo. Ikaw, Konkon. Ikaw, Lau.
Tam.
Ikaw, Tam.
Wow! First time ni Balibad.
Duha lang kaya. Ikaw.
Yes guys, you heard it right. Padung mi sa SM Seaside. And wala pa mi kasakay because kuan daw, dasakyanan sa Danau City needed daw og trip ticket. And auto na chill na lang ko sa mi diri nilang Miss L.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in this. Yeah, we're just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
Hey guys, we are here at SM Seaside for the Wired and Free Youth Tourism Congress with my a family. We are the cool student leaders kaya kami nag-uniform. With Miss L. Say hi to my vlog, Miss L. Family. Yo guys, this is my outfit for today, bros. Oh, at fita ng kuya nyo. Yo guys, I'm with my brother Jotham Bariga, the SSC, the SBO president of senior high school in our school. Senior high school in our school. Senior high school in our school. Senior high school in our school.
Yep.
Naghuwat pa mi sa mga babae kay nag-CR pa sila. Nawa pa mi ka pa-register dito. Yay! So the event haven't started yet, but kapit na siguro ni there's a lot of people here na.
On campus, main campus. Main campus. Hello, what's your name? Hi, Jude. I know si Mama ang nagpadala niyo. You got a problem ganyan, parang nakasulto. So, hey.
We would like our students to know about sustainable tourism.
line.
It is so nice that everyone's here, gathered here today to listen to a bunch of very, very good speakers for a really good cause, and that is tourism.
I felt that Boboy really said the most important things for this morning's affair. But I know I'll just add a little bit more information about tourism.
I will be talking about the idea of creating a unique sense of place.
Ay, kuya. Hello po.
Pero nikalit siya o hilong, nikalit na o tingsi, wag ko masagan sa iyang gisulti. Sa gabi, nakuha ng Inday, ang bukman ni Tunong pinaagi sa pagay. Pinala niyay. Pagkakuha ang kasing-kasing, yun ang atay. Pero wag ko masagan sa iyang gisulti, nikalit siya o hilong, nikalit na o tingsi, yun siya, baby. Dahil siya mga niya. Yun siya, baby. Juga si Julia. Pinapag-message, topic kayo ka. Julia Barreto, pero barato raka. Hinapag-message, patungkap ka. Nagsigit katawa ang kanahan. Ako kauyon. He was laughing and singing. Kumalika. Thanks, Alexa. Hindi I love you. Oh, English na to ha. Nagbukol akong tumugan. Niputo akong mukha. Nilugaw. Tutunin akong tanan. Tutuyan na imo magunang-unaan. Nakikabuna lang tanan. Pero akong ikalma akong kaugalingon. Inday palihong ayaw ko. Dayon nihigong maraka. Kay hubong siya karon. Paminawa ko. Hubong siya karon. Pangutana ay kabong sa umag. Higong mga baka nananhaw sa naghigong mga. Kaya di siya kabarong higong mga. Kaya karon. Hubong. Unang Inday ginataw. Kasi kung sa lihat. Dead. Kaya niya production. Thank you guys.
Do you have any Facebook page or YouTube account that I can...
I am Juanita Romualdez. That's on Facebook. I have a
Yeah,
page. And on Twitter, I'm MJ Romualdez. On
Okay.
Instagram, I'm Juanita Romualdez. And I have music videos and spoken word videos on YouTube.
Yes.
That's Juanita Romualdez. And of course, in Cebu Literary Festival.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I will just put the links in the...
April. So hi, Miss April. I would like to ask, what is the uniqueness of the CADA to the other travel guide applications?
Thank you very much for your question. CADA isn't a travel guide. It's a platform where you can join and book a trip that's organized by our community of curated trip organizers.
Sir, say hi to my vlog. I know vlog.
Go vlog!
I am Z-Boy.
Z-Boy. It's cool, man.
Yeah, no, you said the Alvin.
Yes. Boy, that's on. Here.
Say hi to Z-Boy.
Hello, Z-Boy. And you. Hi, Anime.
Yeah, so I hope na you will visit again.
Sige, game. Gusto ko
Ato
balik.
sa Danauhan.
Gusto ko na Silingan sa Liluan. So,
Yes, unahan sa Luluan. Danau.
We're from Danau.
Yes, we are
Alright,
from Danau.
coming down now. Coming in the future.
See you. Bye. Thank you. Kuya Martin Taban.
Check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link.
Yeah, thank you. I also put a link in my YouTube channel. Kuya Martin Taban.
Yeah, I just got to release a latest video.
His name is April. Hi, I'm Z-Boy Monteboy. So you can tag your account here. Yeah.
Hi, I'm April Cuenca from TripCADA, and you can follow our social media accounts. Send us a message on Facebook, TripCADA, same with Instagram, TripCADA. Twitter is join TripCADA, or you can send me also a private message on my Instagram, April_Cuenca. I and my team and I always.
Yo guys! I am now at the CR of SMC side because I just want to share that I met Kulas, Kyle Jennerman, the becoming Filipino guy. He's just cool. I met the vloggers Kuya Martin Tabanag and Kuya Skip the Pet, and their channels are just gonna link down below. That's it.